Welcome to Connected Speech. In this lesson, we'll explore elision, which is when sounds disappear when words connect naturally in speech. This is a key feature of natural English pronunciation that helps speakers sound more fluent and native-like. Elision is the disappearance of sounds when words connect together. In connected speech, certain consonants and vowels are simply omitted to make pronunciation smoother and faster. This happens naturally in casual conversation, and understanding elision will help you sound more like a native English speaker. Let's start with two common types of elision. First, T dropping. The word next stop becomes next stop, where the T in next disappears. Second, H dropping. Him and her becomes I am and where the H sound is dropped at the beginning of both him and her. These are very common in everyday English. Here are two more patterns to recognize. When a consonant comes before a vowel, it often gets dropped. For example, at home becomes a home where the T disappears. Also, final consonants often disappear. Last time becomes last time, where the T at the end of last is not pronounced. The letters T and D are dropped very frequently in connected speech. When they appear before another consonant, they almost always disappear. For instance, find out becomes fin out with both the D and T dropped. In consonant clusters like in axe, the T sound disappears, giving us axe really. Beyond T and D, other consonants can also be dropped. The H sound is frequently dropped, especially in casual speech. Tell him becomes tell I am. The L sound can also disappear. Feel lucky becomes feel lucky. These patterns help you understand why native speakers sound so different from textbook English. Let's apply everything we've learned to a full sentence. Next time you want to go sounds like next time you want to go in natural speech. Notice how the T in next drops, the T in want drops, and you becomes ya. This shows how multiple elisions work together in a single sentence. To master elision, focus on three things. First, listen carefully for dropped sounds when native speakers talk. Train your ear to recognize these patterns. Second, practice speaking naturally, allowing sounds to disappear just like native speakers do. Third, keep practicing regularly until this becomes automatic. With these skills, you'll speak much more fluently and naturally.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.